Anthony B and CECILE, it's a Universal Struggle Tour right now in Sydney, right?
Yeah, live and direct, star.
Yeah.
I like
Brad,
it.
Yo,
Caribbean Entertainment,
respect.
right?
Anthony
To
B.
the cameraman.
Big up, Jamaica. We in Sydney.
I have a video with history. We now make them alone video it.
Oh, true.
I have it. We have to archive ourselves too.
Next time we
Australia, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? A video.
So my driver here, Joe. Come in, Joe. The world see your face. This is my driver. In Sydney,
Hello,
Australia.
Jamaica.
Yeah, and the world.
Good day, mate.
Alright, in the world. So right now we're going to where? Where we're going to, Joe?
We're going to the Opera House.
We're going to the Upper House.
We're just walking toward the Opera House. It's everybody knows.
Alright. So we're in Sydney, Australia. And we're walking to the Opera House. One of Australia's famous landmark, right?
That's the one.
Yes, Joe. And we're here. Check it out. Australia, Sydney. You see it? This is where the Universal Struggle Tour takes us. It's Anthony B and CECILE. See how there?
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, we just done eat some Rasta food. So she have a Rasta to the world, tweet it to the world, right? Yes, loving it, enjoying ourselves.
Look at the bridge.
Yeah, it's a great pleasure.
Famous harbour.
This is Sydney. Tell them, Joe.
Well, check it out. This is Sydney's famous world harbour, Sydney Harbour. It's got the harbour bridge. Probably see it. It's the first one to go off at New Year's Eve parties all over the world.
All right, you're here. This is where the New Year's Eve
Starts.
party starts in the world. This is where the 1st of January comes first before the rest of the world, Australia. This is Sydney, see?
Quick pictures the other day.
So they say this is the blueprint of the Upper House, right, Joe? Anthony B, Rasta Love, 2011, right here, Sydney, Australia. This is the Upper House. Right?
video last night. It's talking about Japanese or something. Something happened.
So look, this is where we are in Australia. Get the view.
Last night. We were here. Yeah. We went doing that. Which building? Oh, okay.